Welcome to the Succulent Home with me, Melissa. I'm so excited that you clicked on this video because if you clicked on it, then you're wanting to see what's going on at the Succulent Home with the fall home decor. You guys know I like simplicity, so I do not go overboard. You are not gonna see a Hobby Lobby walkthrough tour. What you are gonna see is how I make less but more look great. It's also affordable because you're not spending every single dollar on a pumpkin or any other kind of like tchotchke for fall decorations. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just so much better when you can see and appreciate what you got so far. So you're gonna get that pretty soon here. But until then, let me start off this video by introducing you to a company called Dossier. It is a fragrance company based out of New York, and they have a France influence in their perfumes. Now, they are a fair alternative to luxury perfumes. Their scents are inspired by like Tom Ford, Creed, Baccarat Rouge 540, hopefully I didn't butcher that fragrance, or Le Labo, and many more from $29, and that's a good price point. Why? Because it's affordable for people like myself who don't want to break the bank to smell good, okay? So with that said, one of the things that I like about this company as well is they consider themselves a team clean. So they are vegan and eco-friendly. They are 100% non-toxic and cruelty-free. It's crazy, huh? Like 2022 and we're still having to look for companies that are cruelty-free. Well, I see you. And if you care about the animals, I care about the animals. And thank you for using also packaging that is environmental friendly because it's recyclable. So that's another great thing about this company. Also, the reason why it's can be so affordable is because it's fragrance for all. It's created for everyone like you and me, and it eliminates the retailer markups, the celebrity marketing, and we're able to afford luxury perfumes that are 70 to 90% less than what Tom Ford prices would be. So that's a win-win because you know me, I like a good deal. And if I like a good deal, I know you like a good deal. So they sent me two fragrances. One is Floral Marshmallow. Now, for those of you who've been following me for a long time, even on my Instagram, you guys already know that I am very particular about scents and what I put on my body because I do not want anything that will trigger a migraine. So I know what scents will trigger already, so I kind of stay very clear from those. But these particular scents that I am unboxing and gonna smell right now in front of you for the first time, I'm hoping are gonna be great ones because I like so far what their company stands for. Now this one is called Floral Marshmallow. It has notes that are marshmallow, neroli, bergamot, middle notes are orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine. I love a good jasmine smell. Orris, and base notes are amber. Vanilla is my jam, and musk. And it's inspired by Killian Love, Don't Be Shy. And yeah, so let's see here. Okay, this is what the bottle looks like. Love the packaging. I love how sleek it looks. This looks very beautiful to keep on top of your nightstand or, you know, your makeup area or on your side. And it's a glass bottle. It has a lot of like weight to it. So that's what makes it feel luxurious too. I'm just gonna spray it on this card right here. Okay, let's dry it off. How about we dry it off? Oh, the lid has like a magnetic, look. It's like a magnet, you guys. I love that. Love that. Love the packaging. Okay. Okay, not too bad. You guys, I like this smell. Hold on. Light, airy, not too sweet. I love the vanilla and the musk. Very sexy. Very attractive, very elegant. So don't let the word marshmallow scare you, or the combination of the floral marshmallow together. It's not very, when it says floral, you're not getting rosy scents. I'm not a rose girl. Yeah, plant them. I love a good planted rose, you know. But I don't want to smell like a rose. It's kind of grandma-y. This one's a keeper. Okay, I'm not gonna spray this on me yet. I'm gonna smell the other one before I tell you which one is my favorite to like sprinkle on me. Okay? Okay, the next scent that they sent was ambery saffron. These bottles are 50 milliliters, so you're getting a good amount. This one, as you can tell, this is probably because of the musk and stuff, is darker, that amber color. But this ambery saffron is not, it's pretty clear. And this, one of the things I didn't tell you about the Floral Marshmallow, when I looked online, this is one of their best sellers. So the one that I do like so far is one of their best sellers. And that tells me that I ain't the only one that's loving it right now. Okay, so this particular one has notes of saffron, orange, blossom. Those are the top notes. The middle notes are jasmine. I love that jasmine. I'm Filipino too, so I love me some jasmine rice. Okay, never mind. We'll keep it moving. So middle notes, jasmine, plum, and cedarwood. And the base notes are oak moss, fir, balsam, and amber. Yeah, and then this one is inspired by Mason Francis. Yeah, and then so this one is the knockoff, or inspired is what I should say, is the Baccarat Rouge 540. Again, packaging's nice. It has like that magnetic snapback. Loving it. Can't really smell. Very light from the bottle. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Let me smell. Ooh. Hey. I'm sorry. I get so excited when I can finally, a place that sent me perfumes where I can buy, and both of these I already know off the bat are not going to trigger a migraine for me. This one's light, a little sweet, but not too sweet. Not like candy, okay? I don't want to smell like candy, you know? I don't know. But this one's good. This one's good. Oh my gosh. So now this is going to be hard. The hard one is, which one? Which one am I going to wear? You guys, I think as much as I like the Floral Marshmallow, I'm thinking that I am going to wear the Ambery Saffron. Did I just spray that with my mouth open? I think I might have. If I didn't, it felt like it went in my mouth. But that's all I need is a little 2 sprayer. Oh man, I feel like Gone with the Wind fabulous with this one on. Anyways, I'm loving your brand. I am enjoying this smell so far. This is a first impressions and me wanting to share this company with you. One is because it is a team clean, and it cares. It cares about people, and it cares about our environment. And I love that although it is at a small price point, a less price point, it's still giving me luxury smell, luxury scent. luxury feel with the packaging, and that's a plus plus. So if I can get bang for my buck, then I'm gonna be visiting the website and ordering me some more perfumes. And I'm gonna recommend for you to do it too. I'm gonna put their link to their website down below. Go click over there. Right now they're having some deals. So go check out those deals. Go and check out. Thank you. And let's get this video started so you can see what I'm working with in fall, okay? Come on, guys, come on. Fall into it, fall into it. Now, on to the fall decor. You guys, simple, but still making a statement. Easy when you can find some of those, you know, I call them pom-poms, but these floral that you could pick up from Hobby Lobby. I think I picked these ones up from Ross, but it went perfect for what my design aesthetic is already over here, which is kind of like those just mellow colors. It goes perfect on top of this, what I would say, small buffet table against the wall. I'm mixing golds, oranges, tans, all those beautiful colors. And it just makes a little statement right here. Loving it. Hey guys, hey. Okay, so you guys already know I have this built-in cabinet, and I did my best with balancing both sides. You can see that my colors I like to use are the see-through glass, pumpkins with iridescent light colors. I love the sage green, I love the mint, and I love a good white or cream. So you see the pumpkins, if I give you closer view right here, they're identical to each side. I try to bring balance. So as you can see how beautiful, how intricate this glass work is. I mean, this is someone's hand craftsmanship, you guys, blowing glass. That is a talent and that is a gift, and I just am in awe. Every time, every year, I add to my glass pumpkin collection. So beautiful. You can pick these up from Hobby Lobby, Ross, my favorite Home Goods, Tuesday mornings. These are my bowls that I've had already previously. And these are pumpkins I've had that I got from the Target $5 and below spot years ago, and I still have them. You don't need to buy anything new if you have it already. But the one thing I did buy new is this right here. From Tuesday morning, I got this wooden, it looks kind of like a boat, if you will. And these right here, they are just bringing in the sage. I need to take off this tag, but I'll do that. But the sage and the mint green, it's pulling it all together towards the middle, because again, on each side, still have hints of those greens and creams. So it definitely does pull it in together towards the middle. Again, less is more for me. I don't like to feel overwhelmed by clutter or stuff. That's something that I've learned along the way. I used to not be like this, but when you want to see changes in your life, you have to be the change that you want to see. And I wanted my life to look less chaotic, less stressful, and I, most importantly, not so much wanted it to look, I wanted to feel less. I wanted to feel less chaotic, less stressful. And sometimes too much stuff can create a stressful environment. So your environment is important, which is why I have little things for fall that say, so very thankful, to be reminded that life is short. So be thankful for what you have today. I have this over here, nothing too outrageous, but another little beads, says blessed, threw a little pumpkin there. And then these are my pumpkin pillows that are embroidered, just pretty, a little touch of fall in the corner. Up here, nothing too fancy. Again, those are some pumpkins that came years ago from the Target $5 and below spot. My layered mirrors, that's kind of just what's been up there all year long so far. The little pom-poms to balance out that other pom-pom area where that small buffet table was at. Here goes my candle, like little collage right there. And then another hints of green and blue in the pumpkin. Well, thankful and blessed. Right here at the end, right next to the buffet, is just this little section in the corner. I have the little wooden clock, midnight pumpkin, and just this little seashell looking pumpkin. I like that. Less is more, guys, but it makes a statement. So don't be afraid to make a statement with less. Right here in my kitchen area, I just put this little arrangement together. I love how it's looking. I just added some things that I've had. I have that little white picture already. Another beautiful find of a glass pumpkin and another reminder to be thankful. And a little runner that you've seen years and years now. You guys have been following me for a long time. Those of you who have followed me from the beginning with home decor, you guys probably even saw me do a haul where I show you when I got that runner. But this is just easy stuff to put together if you have it already. No need to break the bank. Well, hopefully you're not too disappointed with my less is more fall decor here at the house. Hope you were inspired by some of those fragrances that I showed you. I'm still liking the smell. I could smell it. And I'm fine. I have no headache so far. Well, until the next video, my less but more decor inspires you. Don't come for me in a negative way in the comments because I will not engage with you. But if you do come, I thank you for all your positivity. I thank you for your inspiration because it does inspire me when we comment and when I hear something from you. And I welcome it and I thank you for it. So until the next video, God bless, guys. Bye.